Another goal for this year as far as gardening goes is a perennial medicinal herb garden. I want to have a good supply of medicinal herbs, so I can make not only tinctures but teas and that kind of thing, so I'm not so dependent on going to a doctor if I get sick, and keeping my immune system strong, so possibly I don't get sick or don't get as sick when that time comes around. So some things that I have added 100% for sure is comfrey, elderberry, American elderberry, not European elderberry. Always get American. And I found some mullein alongside the road. I will be adding purple coneflower, which is echinacea, to the garden this year as well. I also have lemon balm, various types of mint that come back every year. Sage will be going in the garden this year. Lemongrass I always grow, but that's an annual. So here's the comfrey. This is something that I actually got to start from seed, and that is a perennial. It will come back every year. It should take over this whole pot at some point this year, and it has purple flowers. This is what I'm pretty sure is the mullein that I found on the other on the side of a road, and hopefully that will take off. And if it is mullein, it'll have yellow flowers, and if it's lamb's ear, it will have purple flowers. My lemon balm was starting to come back, but I think it got hit by some of the cold nights we've had, but that will come back with a vengeance here in a month or so, depending on the weather. My mint is on its way back. I have lavender planted in this pot, but who knows if that'll actually come back. And then all of these out here are empty, and that I plan to put annual herbs in, culinary, whatever, and those will be here for the summer as well.